Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to water multiple crops in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all, you need to equip the watering can. You need to open up your toolbox and select the watering can. And then you're going to select the crops that you want to water. I'm going to water this line, for example. I'm going to put it on the middle, and then we can tap and hold on the watering can. Okay, and it can water 3 crops. Okay, if you just want to water one crop, click on the planter like this. Select the planter and then click on the watering can. Okay, and I'm going to practice it one more time. I'm going to water multiple crops. Okay, like this. Okay. Again. And same with the flowers, guys. If you want to water multiple flowers, just tap and hold on the watering can. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how we can water multiple crops in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.